You know that my job here is to teach you how to make money online for free. You don't need to buy any tools, you don't need to spend any extra money. Just follow everything I teach you and you will start making money online effortlessly. So today I want to teach you how to start writing with your smartphone. Guess what? You don't need any tool, you don't need any extra app. You will start writing with your phone and generating content easily with your Telegram. I have a video that explains this, but I want to tell you that this is another better Telegram bot that you can use to get all the type of content you want for any type of book you're writing, fiction, non-fiction, or any other type of book. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to show you and you will start creating or generating content easily. Let's get started. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Legal Naira, and all I do every day is to put a smile on your face and money in your bank account by teaching you different legitimate ways to make money online and offline. If this is something you are interested in, like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so that YouTube will send you instant notification anytime I post awesome videos like this. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Thank you very much for liking my videos and supporting my channel. This video where you can see write new books with Telegram is the first video you should watch. If you've not seen the video before, it is actually explaining a certain Telegram bot that you can use like ChatGPT to generate table of content, generate book interior, your content interior, generate keywords, and even generate the description. This bot can help you write everything you want to write. So I'll urge you to first watch that video before you continue watching this one. But if you've seen that video before, you can now watch this. This video is the bomb. It is a game changer. It does not have any limits like the first one I explained to you. This bot is going to change your smartphone writing game. The first thing you want to do is to go straight to your Telegram. This is my Telegram. I'll open it. Once you open your Telegram, you click on contacts. After clicking on contacts, you just search ask your Telegram bot. That's the name of the bot. Ask your Telegram bot. Once you open it like this, the first thing you want to do is to tell this app exactly what you want, or this bot rather. Just tell the bot exactly what you want. In this case, I want to write a relationship book, something like how to prevent divorce. Yes, let's use, oh no, I've been doing relationship and cookbook. Let's try business and money, how to start a new business in 2023. That's the title of the book, how to start a new or how to start an online business in 2023. The first thing you want to do is to get your table of content. So you just tell this bot to give you a table of content for the title of this book. I need a table of content for a book titled How to Start an Online Business in 2023. Let's see, just tap enter or the arrow sign and you see the magic. It's typing. Let's just wait for it. You would see an outstanding table of contents will be generated for you right away. As you can see, it has given us a table of content. The first element here is introduction. Number 1, why start an online business? Number 2, benefits of starting an online business in 2023. Number 3, overview of this book. Chapter 2, it says choosing the right online business idea. Next, identifying your passion and skill. The next one, market research and analysis. Another one, evaluating profitability and demand. As you can see, it keeps giving us interesting chapters that will make this book a valuable one to whoever is going to be reading it until the conclusion. It has 11 chapters with the conclusion. It says a recap of the key takeaways, final thoughts, and encouragement. That is how it's finalized the table of contents. All you need to do now is to start getting contents for each of these elements step by step. I don't want this video to be too long. I have a 10 series video on how to write, plagiarize, and paraphrase books with your smartphone. You don't need a laptop to do that. All you need to do is to watch those videos, follow what I explained, and you will get your books readily available for uploads on Amazon or any other book publishing website. So I urge you to check the description down below. You would find the link to the videos. Watch them from series 1 to series 10, and you would never have issues writing books with your smartphone again. So to continue here, let's get an introduction for this book. The first thing you want to do is to say, give me a 300-word introduction for the above book. Enter. Let's see. It's typing. Boom, it has given us a perfect introduction. Now it says, welcome to How to Start an Online Business in 2023, your comprehensive guide to navigating the ever-evolving world of online entrepreneurship. In this book, we would explore the exciting opportunities and challenges that comes with starting and running an online business in 2023. The next one, it says, why start an online business? Why do you want to start? Now, the digital landscape has transformed the way we live, work, and conduct business. With the advancement in technology and increasing accessibility of the internet, starting an online business has become more attainable than ever before. Whether you're looking to escape the traditional 9-to-5 grind, pursue your passion, or tap into a global market, an online business offers immense potentials. Now it goes and says the benefits of starting an online business. It has given us everything in the chapter 1. Okay, so let's check the benefits. You will see the benefits too. It says 2023 presents a unique set of circumstances that makes it an ideal time to embark on your online business journey. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the shift towards digital commerce, with more people than ever relying on online platforms for their shopping needs. This surge in online customer behavior has created a fertile ground for aspiring entrepreneurs to establish the digital presence and reach a wider audience. Then it concludes with overview of this book. As you can see, this is perfect. All you need to do is to copy it, go to your plagiarism checker, check plagiarism. I explained everything in the previous video on how to use Telegram. Just check the link in the description down below and you will see the video. Watch it and you would know how to paraphrase or check plagiarism, so you won't run into issues with Amazon KDP. So when you're done with this, you just copy it, check plagiarism, paraphrase the plagiarized sections and paste it in your Google Docs file. Then you format it. I also explain how to format in those videos. Just check the description down below, you will see the videos. Then the second one says choosing the right online business. Let's get content for that. Write a 300-word content for choosing the right online business as noted above. Always refer the bot that you want it to use the concept from the table of contents that it gave you so that it will not digress. So let's tap enter. It's typing already. It is going to give us outstanding content, something you cannot even think of writing if you were the one writing from your head. And apart from that, apart from the efficiency, this bot is very fast. As you can see, it has given us content for that. Choosing the right online business. When it comes to starting an online business, choosing the right idea is crucial for long-term success. In this chapter, we will explore the key considerations and strategies to help you identify the perfect online business idea for you. Identifying your passion and skill. That is a subheading for this chapter. One of the first steps in choosing the right online business idea is identifying your passion and skill. You see, this is awesome. You can't do better than this. Even if you can do better than this, how fast can you get it? How fast can you get it done? You just copy this chapter 2, go straight to your plagiarism checker, check plagiarism, go back to paraphrasing tool to paraphrase any section that is plagiarized and paste it in your documents, then format it. This is how you are going to gradually write out all the contents of this book. If I'm the one writing this book, I might not go beyond 30 pages or 35 or max 40 pages, and I'm good to go. Just upload it, people will buy it, and you will start making money. If you really want to make money on Amazon, KDP, or other online businesses, take your time, watch all my videos. I have a couple of videos that will be very beneficial to you. Just check the link in the description down below. You will see my videos. All of them are valuable. Watch them and start implementing, then you would start making money online. As you can see, if you check my YouTube page, Legal Naira TV, you will just tap on videos. You will see all my videos. All these videos are very valuable. In fact, I highly recommend this one that says complete Amazon KDP course, make $20 with short books on Amazon KDP every day. This video can change your life. Just start watching it, start implementing everything I explained in that video, and you'll be good to go. If you don't know how to design book covers, look at this where I said start using Canva or stop using Canva. These two videos will change your book cover design game. If you watch them and you practice, you will start designing outstanding book covers. Do you want to learn how to write descriptions, how to format your books, how to use a laptop or a phone? I have videos for you here. As you can see, all these are 10 series videos. It says write books with your smartphone, table of contents with Android or iPhone. Start watching them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You see that there are 10 videos. If you watch these 10 videos, you would never have issues creating books with your smartphone again. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends so that more people will have access to this valuable content. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.